This tool is better than Photoshop, as you can see on the screen what it can do. On the left you can see a original photo of the woman taking a photo in the restroom, and on the right we have added a prompt, add 100 different puppies. So as you can see on the picture on the right, Google AI actually added a lot of puppies, and the photo is filled accurately with the puppies. Also we have an original selfie on the left, and if we add prompt give me blunt layered bob, it will change the haircut. Here original is on the top and the edited version is on the bottom. So as we can see, we can add even specific filters on some objects in this scene. For example, these noodles and the soup are now turned into this cartoon style. Also, with this tool we can restore old photos. As you can see on the top, it's original photo, it's black and white, and we can recolor it with this tool and also restore these scratches on the photos. Let's drop an image here and try to run our test. To use this model you will need Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview, because by default it will set on Gemini 2.0 and it will not be able to work with images, so you will need to choose this model. So I will upload my thumbnail and let's change background to stone, for example. Just look at that, it changed the background to stone and it also copied a text, plus even this glass effect is still here. And you can see on the character like a shadow that I dropped in Photoshop is also present here. It's really impressive, as I can say. It's finished, so we can download. Yeah, it's pretty impressive that you can just change the background in one prompt and it will look that good. So let's try other different things. For example, we can use sample media. So let's pick Paris picture and add a blood moon here. The whole lighting of the image changed to red and it added the blood moon. Also the clouds were changed, so pretty good, I can say. So now we can also do something else, like let's take a sample media also here. So let's pick pizza and add mushrooms. What is gonna happen? Well, as you can see, it perfectly added mushrooms on top of the pizza. It looks a little bit weird because it's not planted on top of cheese, but still it looks good. It looks exactly like the first one. Maybe a few details are tweaked a little bit, but it's still the same image and it looks pretty great. So what else can we do? Let's go to upload some image I have. So let's use this Porsche 911 and add some specific from top view driving on the road and see what's gonna happen. As you can see, it perfectly nailed it. Look at this Porsche. It looks exactly identical to this picture I dropped. It even has a driver and it looks pretty realistic. And look at the details. It looks pretty great, so let's upload another file and test it. Okay, we have this SpongeBob house, so let's make a tricky one here. So let's add. And we get our result. As we can see, it doesn't look like Patrick and Squidward house. It looks like something else. I don't know what it is, but like this Squidward face is so funny to me. Well, yeah, probably AI doesn't know how Patrick house and Squidward house looks. So yeah, but still it handled this style they use this in SpongeBob. And let's see the last one. I will use a photo from my previous video. It was about hyper realistic image generator. Okay, let's type the prompt. Make sure look like Ghost Girl. Well, I tried to look like Ghost Girl, but for some reason it stopped and it gave me this safety ratings warning. So for some reason it can't change her. So let's just create an anime girl. Maybe this will work. Like, what the actual, what is this? Why can I change it? Like, what's wrong with it? Let's make it like this. She is walking in the forest. What's wrong with Google? Okay, let's try again. If this will not work, I don't know what to say about it. Well, it didn't work for my previous project that I used to implement here. For some reason, it still gives me warnings. Well, I'm not trying to do something suspicious or anything else. Like, I don't know how it works, but it's Google, default Google safety warnings where they're not supposed to probably be. So anyway, let's make this picture from Better Call Saul. Let's apocalypse background. I hope it will work. Of course it won't, yes. Safety ratings, holy. Flower background. Will it work? I'm just curious. No safety ratings! So flower background is something bad, I assume. Google thinks nice. Okay, maybe it's recognize the actors, but what's wrong with it? Okay, let's make 3D logo on diamond background. If this won't work, I don't know what will work. Diamond background, 3D chat GPT logo, so it's pretty nice. So this tool from Google is pretty nice to have. You can use it like Photoshop, and it's actually free because you have, of course, it's limited token count, but for now I'd like make 10 pictures and can get more, so you'll be able to use this tool a lot more.